Plank is one of the most accessible and, at first glance, easy exercises. It is performed with your own weight on any flat surface, and, at the same time, it is able to pump almost all muscle groups, from the abs to the buttocks. In this video, I'll tell you what happens if you do a plank for at least 1 minute every day. So, watch the video till the end. It will be interesting. Let's go. Plank technique. There are about 100 plank options. The classic one. Get into a push-up position. Bend your elbows 90 degrees and shift your weight to your forearms. The whole body should form one straight line. The stomach is tucked up, the muscles are tense, the head and neck should be relaxed and free. Hands should be kept straight in front of you, or crossed. Elbows strictly under the shoulder joints, so as not to create unnecessary stress on the shoulders. The loins should not be rounded or arched. The legs should remain straight and tense. Otherwise, the main load will go to the lower back, and not to the abs. Breathe slowly and measuredly. The benefits of doing plank. What happens to your body when you do plank every day? First, the core muscles will become stronger. The core muscles provide support for the internal organs. They are also involved in the formation of good posture and help to avoid injuries in the lower back. Doing the plank every day will primarily help you strengthen these muscles. Just one exercise will engage all the major muscle groups of the core at once. The transverse muscle of abdomen helps to lift heavy weights. The rectus abdominis muscle helps to jump better, and it is also responsible for the six-pack. The oblique muscles expand the possibilities of lateral bending and twisting at the waist. The buttocks support the back and give a nice shape. Second, the condition of the back muscles will improve. Doing a plank will allow you to build core muscles without the risk of unnecessary stress on your back and hips. Moreover, regular planks will strengthen not only the lower body, but also the upper one, and this will reduce the risk of back pain. The plank will speed up the metabolism. The plank burns more calories than classic AB exercises like crunches. Even 10 minutes of strength training a day speeds up the metabolism, and for quite a long time, even at night, you will burn more calories. The plank will improve your posture. Strengthening the core muscles has a profound effect on the condition of the neck, shoulders, upper, and lower back. Doing a plank every day will help keep them in the correct position and improve your posture. Plank will develop your sense of balance. How long can you just stand on one leg? Just a couple of seconds. Then you need to strengthen the abdominal muscles. The plank will help with this. By the way, a developed sense of balance will help you achieve great results in any sport. Your flexibility will improve. The plank stretches the muscles and ligaments attached to the shoulders, shoulder blades, collarbones, hips, and even toes. In the side plank, you can also work the obliques. By increasing the flexibility of the whole body, you will get additional benefits in any other exercises and just in everyday life. Your mental state will improve. The plank has a special effect on the nerves, strengthening the muscles that are active in stressful situations. After a whole day in the office chair, your whole body becomes numb. You feel tense. As a result, the mood worsens, you become lethargic and dull. Doing the plank every day will help improve your mood and have a positive effect on the nervous system. How long should you hold a plank? How long should you hold a plank? The answer to this question is purely individual. Do the exercise for as long as your body allows. Beginners can hold the plank for 15 to 30 seconds. The main thing is not to increase the duration by performing the exercise to the detriment of technique. Canadian scientists conducted a study, the conclusion of which is as follows. A long plank is not as effective as several short sets. Going for a record and trying to do the plank for as long as possible is useless for health. By the way, friends, be sure to watch other videos on this channel. Links are on the screen right now. See you soon.